Hello Mr. Adi, my name is Misha from 4th grade. Today I will be showing you how to make a water wheel. The materials are pencil, paper cup, ruler, scissors, and adhesive gum. Use the scissors to cut the 4 triangles down the sides of the paper cup towards the base. Remove these 4 pieces. Corner of each bed. Your finished product should look like a water wheel. Pocket pencil to the center of the base of the cup and use the adhesive gum to secure at the end. Turn on a tap and hold your water wheel under the running water. Observe what happens. What happens to the water wheel as you hold it under the running water? The water wheel will spin. Water wheel is spinning. What happens when you turn the tap on to allow more water to flow? The water wheel will spin quickly. Explain your observations in step 5 and 6 in terms of energy conversions. In the working process of the power generating water wheel and the use of electricity, several energy that occur. First is the change in potential energy in the water flow to mechanical energy motion by the wheel. Second, this mechanical energy will rotate the generator. Thank you for watching, Mr. Andri and classmates for watching my video.